the launch of NGTRS system. Well, here we in Goa and Delhi and Pune, I think we are all connecting together, even though all of them are not present at one stage. First of all, I think it's been a challenge. It's been a challenge for me, and I think when I was told by Apte that ENY, Ernst & Young, has come forward to take us in a different direction, and they have been entrusted to see that the ease of doing business, we go in that step. And I, being a recently inducted minister, this is my 4th month in this government of 2 years, I said that this is what I've always dreamt of, even before becoming a minister, is to see that the people of Goa get the services at the tip of their finger, right from their home. And I think with this dream in mind, when I took over, I did not expect it to be so fast. But with the able support of the NIC team of Goa, with the able support of the state register and the core team created for this purpose, I think we have stepped one step ahead to see that we are the people of Goa, to see that what we, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, desires, a non-corrupt, hassle-free registration department for the state of Goa. Notion of an automatic stamp duty registration thing, which has not yet started. Maybe we'll start for another 1 month's time, because we have a little different perspective in getting it online. But maybe another month's time or 2 months, we'll have it automatically. And then I think we should have a hassle-free system in place for the people of Goa. Today, even we are talking to stockholding corporation for getting our stamp duty right on online, so that you don't go for franking, you don't go for buying actual stamp papers, and it becomes a real hassle-free system. And with that, my own colleague in the cabinet, Rowan County, Honorable Minister for Revenue, has assured me full support. And to do this, because these are two departments working hand in hand. Magisla Goinkar Bhavang Amka and Boyding. हे खूप पहिले असे लॉन्च जावन आपापल्याचे जे तालुकान आसा तरी पयल्ले आसा आनी पळयता तेन्ना एकूच लक्ष दवरपाक जाय की खंयची नवीन वस्त करता तेन्ना एक थोडे त्रास जाता, पूण इंटेन्शन गव्हर्मेंटाचें जें आसा तें तुमकां हॅसल फ्री दिवपाचें. आनी आज म्हाजे जेन्ना हांव बसलेलो म्हाजे कडेन म्हाजे लॉयराची टीम येयल्ली, आमची नॉर्थ गोवाचे 2-3 एसोसिएशनाची टीम येयल्ली. हांवें ताका सांगलेलें की ही गोश्टी जर आमी करता, आमकां तुमचे सगळ्यांचे कॉपरेशन जाय, आनी तुमचें कॉपरेशन आसतना खंयची वस्त फुडें वचूंक शकना. आनी म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार भावांनी आमकां आनी भयणांनी खुबशें कॉपरेशन दिल्लें आसा, तशेंच आमच्या लॉयरांनी खुबशें कॉपरेशन दिल्लें आसा. हांव मागता की म्हजो नंबर हांवें म्हाका दिसता सगळे कडेन शेअर केल्लो आसा. खंय जरी डिफिकल्टी आसा, खंय जरी त्रास जाता जाल्यार म्हाका SMS करचो, नाजाल्यार म्हाका फोन करचो, आमी ताका तोडगो काडपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो. आज एक विशय जाल्लो आसा की खंय तरी 2-3 इशू हांव कित्याक सांगता की